Welcome back, guys. 64 Bonfond. I gotta get this interior cleaned out. It reeks. Not looking forward to it, but I gotta get the inside cleaned out. Then we can wash it and see how bad this 64 really is. So I was saying white in the video earlier, but this car's Panama beige. I don't know why I didn't realize that. I own a 64 Panama beige car. Car cover, fancy. Try to keep the glass out of the driveway. Good luck. Looks like the original matte. Do we actually have a floor? Somebody asked if this was a raccoon head. Yikes. I don't even know what that is. It's gonna be a huge nest behind this. We all know that. Huge nest behind here. I know it. Oh yeah, Taj Mahal. Oh, that's bad. Well, that's bad. Well, we're back to using shovels. Oh, that's oh, it's terrible. That is absolutely. It's just like the biggest pile. That's the biggest pile I've ever seen. I mean, it's just all like. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, we found some metal. Oh, it's so bad. There you go. It's part of it. Oh my gosh. How's there metal? Don't know. I was gonna blow this all out with the backpack blower, but there's so much glass in here. I'm gonna try and get as much as I can out, and then we'll vacuum it. What is this? It's just a big pile of dungaroo or what? Let's get to the fun stuff. Ah, she's empty. This mask isn't cutting it. Nasty. Oh. Downwind. We'll go ahead and wash that. Preserve, preserve. Exempt, 1992. You can see that pan's been replaced. They actually bolted it in, which is never seen that before. Oh yeah, that's what the back seat was. Let's get this red-headed Medusa out of here. I believe this is 1 year only seat pattern and seat fabric. Battery's still in it. Poof. If you hear the kids next door, they're just really excited because there's now 27 VWs in my yard, so. Unlike my last car I cleaned out, I'm actually getting a vision for this car. Oh, I've got a vision for this one. It's a bit blurry, but I've got one. You can see the repair over there. They always nest under that plate. I might have to call this car Ginger. I can tell you I've had about enough fun with this inside. When you can taste it and you wipe your face, when you can start tasting it, you've had enough fun. Easy, Ginger. Oh my God, 5150's turning a wrench. What do you think? Anything good back here? Seat covers. Garbage. Oh, big old condo in there. Hopefully there's not a big hole back there, but you almost know there is. Oh shoot. I see daylight over here. This is not a for sale. Oh, check this. Wait a minute, 63. 63 Beetle, 1200. Woo! That's a deal. 966, where the hell's that? I don't even know what year it is. It's 64. Place your bets. Oh, there's some metal. There's some metal. That's good to see. I know the back corner is going to be gone, but right back there. That's a nice looking parcel package luggage tray. Obviously, you try not to get that too wet. Well, that's looking good. First wipe. If you guys don't feel the need to take a shower after watching this video, something's wrong with you. That's just the pre-clean. Still got a deep clean. The whole car is just covered. See, this steering wheel is all mouse. Fantastic. Oh, it's so nice. Why do I do this again? I'm jumping around, but I had to get to the dash. You know me. It's all about the dash and mouse piss. My two favorite things, dashes and mouse piss. A little mouse patina. I think we need a new rag. I think you need a new car, dude. I gotta break out the potent stuff. I'm gonna wash that mouse piss right out of your hair. Ginger. That's it. It's Ginger. We're going with Ginger. Or is it gingivitis? I don't know. Let's see. They took her horn button. Can't believe it. Well, the dash is coming along. I found a horn button, put that in. Let's see if this sunroof opens. Oh, look at that. Yes, that's awesome. Go ahead and get this cleaned out and lubricated. That's awesome. Did I say that's awesome? Because that's awesome. Yes. All right, guys, here we are up front. We got our spare. We got a body tag in there. It's good. And more mouse activity. Huh. Oh, lovely. Don't breathe that in either. Hopefully, there's not a big hole right here from the mice. That would be absolutely awesome. Oh God, that's so bad. Try to get this out without destroying it and wash this and save it. Excuse me. All right, so far looking good. Tank's not even rusted out from the mice. Under here will be our telltale sign. Mint, dare I say it. Very happy with that, I can tell you. Stoked with that. Pretty unmolested car, guys. A little bit of mousage there. Looks like US 1721. See, we got a little action in the spare tire well, but super stoked with that. It's gonna clean up nice. Sunroof works. So stoked about that. Door cards are cleaning up nicely. Got pans and channels. Need a little repair. We've got a luggage tray. I don't know what we got going on over here. We'll have to get some penicillin for Ginger. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and get this vacuumed out. I'm gonna lube the cylinders. It is stuck right now. There's no oil in it. Not looking good there. Original motor though. All right, well that's gonna do it for me, guys. Really happy with what we found here today. Looks like a really solid car. 72,000 original miles. I'm thinking first wash will be next. So thank you guys for dropping in. Have a great day and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Well, there it is. Beetle 1 out of the barn. What is it? I think it was a 75. Check that. Woolly Mammoth Edition volleyball taillights. We've got the chrome accent. Sweet. Charcoal canister. Check. Look at this though. No visible rust where they typically do rust. Got a luggage tray. It's a pretty solid car. How long it's been in there, I don't know. Not original paint. We've got some drippage there. Dub works to be all over those chrome handles. I don't even want to touch it, but what do we got? Is that a fail? 1992. Who's coming with me? Connecticut, that looks like a fail sticker, but Massachusetts. It's a Mass car. It's pretty solid. I don't think there's enough rain to wash this car. We'll be back for the convertible and the 64 sunroof.